Good morning everyone. It's Vlogmas day 1. It's the season. So welcome to my channel. I'm Robin Forever and today I'm gonna decorate my room too and a few little things around the house to finish off the festive so that we can do the house tour. So my tree is up behind me. We did a few changes, but we're just gonna do the room and then I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen later on, so stay tuned. So over here I just did a few things. This is gonna be like my hot chocolate bar, my coffee bar. It's very simple. I didn't do it too extreme. We've obviously got that canister over there, some coffee mugs, some gold spoons, and the gingerbread house. And at night time you'll see the lights. So this is just the kitchen, and then we got some candy canes there, but someone has been eating them, so there's nothing anymore. I think there's only like 3. Over here we've got some, I don't even know what this is, but this is from Mr. Price, gingerbread man. I think these are like sticks, yeah, chocolate flavored cream wafers. So yeah, this you can put in your hot chocolate. So we'll do that, and then hopefully I can finish decorating my tree. Another little addition, which is a leaf above there at the cabinet. Yeah, I didn't want too much Christmassy in the kitchen, so that is all I'm going to do. And then down here, I'm using this as a spoon over here, of course. That matches our little canister over there, and that's about it. So over here, I've obviously hung this wreath. But this little section I'm going to redo, so stay tuned in our Vlogmas to see what it ends up looking like. So I've changed this little coffee table ottoman 10 million times. The tree is up. That little ladder we've changed 10 million times. The tree is over there, and then over there, that's new. That is our TV unit, and I'm still deciding what I want to do. There's a train station or trains and some reindeer. So let's get into this video. So I got some candles. This is for our table on Christmas Day. Here is another Merry Christmas banner. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but we'll find a place. This is when you want to take some pictures. It's from Pip. So cheap. I don't know if they do this anymore, but I bought this like a year ago. And then this is Christmas cards. So tonight, I'm going to be writing up my Christmas cards and giving it to everyone tomorrow. So yeah, I'm giving it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. This is for our smaller tree. I think in this video we can put up all the trees and all the decorations, and you can do the house tour. This is some napkins for my napkin holder. I just thought it was so pretty, of the candy canes and the berries. And there's a little robin there, if I'm correct. This is so pretty. crackers. And I didn't want, I don't know, it was weird, like I wanted a specific cracker. I wanted something that had greens and reds in, and then I obviously found these ones that I thought was really cool. This is what's left over of the bunch we had the last time. This is the wrapping paper, green and red. And then we've got some left over from last year, which I'm probably not going to use, but you never know. So this is new. We've got some baubles with names on, and I'm going to use this for the table. This is almost like name tags at a table. Comes a little that, and this one is salad. And then, very important to finish off the table setting, I got these flowers. So I wanted it very foresty, and then we'll add some reds in there and make it look festive. And then up over there we've got that little wreath hanging there, which was initially going to be for the table, but I don't think I like it. It doesn't look fresh, doesn't look new. We've got a pillow over there, and then I've got a pillow over here, and then over here we've got the outside lights that we need to obviously put up, and we are going to change out the table and add some chairs. So Christmas time, we obviously have this cute little, what is it called, dish tag. We've got our red whistling kettle, you know, now that it's load shedding, it's perfect to be out on the table. And like we've seen in the previous video, we have this item, which is my spoon holder. And there's a wreath over there. And on the counter, we've got the coffee machine, which fits in with our red theme, but it's hidden away. So this section was like changed a million times, and obviously we've got a snow globe and some candy canes we restocked. And then tonight we're gonna have to build the gingerbread house. Not excited, but it has to get done. And then Santa's big bag of gifts has to come somewhere. Yeah, we've changed this section 10 million times, but I think I am happy with it now. I've added 3 stockings, just the stockings, and that's all stockings that we've obviously gathered over the years. And today it's officially 2 days till Christmas, so I'm gonna have to upload this little video. And this is just my Christmas prep with my house tour all in one. And the train set isn't up this year, but that's okay. We've added a Merry Christmas sign over there. Got another sign, but I'm not gonna add it anyway. Got my favorite photo. That's the only picture that has red in, so I took it out. Got our reindeers, and these are the ones I bought, which is amazing because if it falls over, it does not break. But in here is all the Christmas things we still need to pack out and do. I've got 2 broken reindeer over there, and this is new, but this comes on our little tree. So this tree is just red and white, which I totally love. And that is the finishing tree. Got a wreath over there, and then yeah, my pillows are always looking a mess. We've got a wreath in the window with lights on, and that is our Christmas decorations for 2023. And this little guy,
tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day.